productive. I uploaded a video today. I washed my sheets. That TMI, but I only really do once every 6 months. I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. My room is still a mess.
So that doesn't make any sense. That's the whole point of being a vertical. So what I'd like you to have that responsibility and visibility, and then do the. Yes.
I'm done. I've been wearing the same outfit to every single class. I'm at a TikTok dinner. I had one drink. Yeah.
How are you feeling from 1 to 10?
A strong 6.5 to 7.
Look at her beach eyebrows.
They're gone! I don't have any eyebrows!
I really want to do them too.
Do it! It's really easy.
I just got back from the TikTok dinner and actually didn't just get back. I've been back for a while and I've been trying to sleep for the past 2 hours and I cannot fall asleep. I don't know why. I have a book. I have 1984 here with me, but I know I cannot read because I look so puffy. Oh my goodness. Okay, the only reason I'm vlogging, okay, is because I feel really lonely. And this is the only way for me to not feel as lonely. But it's also making me cry, so I don't want to keep on talking. But yeah, I'm fine. Like nothing's wrong. Like maybe my period is coming, maybe that's why. But like nothing is wrong. Everything is great in my life. I don't know why I'm crying. I don't know why I'm sad. I don't know why I feel this way. I don't know why I keep looking at myself and I'm like, I set an alarm since 6 a.m. because I wanted to be productive. I have some schoolwork that I didn't really finish, but I couldn't wake up. But it's still not too late. It's like 8:30 now. So recently I went to Mia's place, right? And she showed me this new way of using the ordinary plant-derived squalane, which is an oil-based product, and she said to use a water-based product beforehand. I always used to just use the oil like as is, but you need a water-based product before in order for the oil to penetrate into the skin. I've been using the Aven thermal water spray thingy. And I finally have my Dr. Jart moisturizer again. I got it from Yes Style. I restocked. Eye cream. to get my lashes done. Hey guys, I am rock climbing. I'll show you guys Shirley because I'm hideous and I don't want to show you guys me climbing.
Well, I think that's why I think because
Class is over. I got 1 pound brunch. How amazing was that? I walked home, so that's why I look a bit rough, but I'm gonna get ready now, shoot some content, and I'm going on a photo shoot. I just did my makeup for the photo shoot. Now I'm just curling my hair. This is the GHD Curve Curling Wand. I need to film a hair care routine for you guys. I know. I am working on it. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, right? This might sound controversial, but like, let's open a discussion here. Women in general get paid less, right? Like, women's income is just generally lower. Is that still a thing? I don't even know. I'm not really kept up to date. But then, like, women is also the gender group that spends the most money. Like, we spend so much on makeup, on clothes, on haircuts. Like, haircuts for women is higher. We also have to buy tampons, something that men don't have to do. And also, like, we spend so much time, you know, putting on makeup, dressing up, deciding on outfits, taking care of our hair. Why? Why has it become like that? I don't know what I'm saying, actually. I don't even think I'm gonna put that in. This is actually not that bad. Quite proud of myself. I need to put on some hairspray because this is not gonna really last. I like what I did on my bangs. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Pilates, do some hot girl shit to feel better, cause what the fuck is this? Actually, before going, I need to take my vitamins. Hi guys, this is my favorite spot. I'm like by the riverside. I also have my coffee. They were really rude to me. They kind of ruined it for me. They changed their staff. I got a chicken, bacon, and cheese toasty. Girl is shopping therapy. I just went to Army and I bought a sweater, and now I'm gonna go into Selfridges and I want to find a pair of sunglasses. I just want like some simple black sleek sunglasses.